Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So when you hear chai, coffee, when you hear these words, what does it come to your mind? So exactly, the travel on a train. So when you're traveling on a train, you're woken up with these sounds, and after having a sip of tea or coffee, the next thing you'll be ordering is the breakfast. So when you travel in Indian railways, especially in the south, they'll be serving you a chutney which is watery and very tasty along with the breakfast. So today we are going to make that chutney, that is railway chutney. Now let's see how to prepare railway chutney. Today's recipe is railway chutney. Let's see the ingredients required for making this chutney. We require 1 cup of roasted chana dal, then half cup of grated coconut, 4 dry red chilies, salt as per taste, and then we require 2 garlic pods. Now let's see the ingredients required for tempering. We require 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 3 dry red chilies, and then 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Then we need oil sufficient for tempering and water sufficient for making our chutney. For grinding the ingredients of our chutney, here I've taken a mixer jar. Into this, let's add our chana dal, grated coconut, garlic, curry leaves, and dry red chili. Let's add required quantity of water. So first into this, let's add a little quantity of water, and then after grinding it into a paste, then we can add a little more water, because the railway chutney will be very watery. So for that, first let's grind this. We have finished pasting our chutney. Now let's open the lid. So here we have our chutney. Let's transfer this into a bowl. So here we have transferred this into a bowl. So now into this, let's add water. We have to add a good quantity of water, because our railway chutney specialty itself is that it's watery. So add a good quantity of water and let's mix it well. So as you can see here, like this should be the wateriness of our railway chutney. So that this chutney should be this watery. Now let's move on to tempering. Now here we are going to make tempering for our railway chutney. For that, let's switch on the flame and add oil. I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's wait till it's heated. The oil is heated. Into this, let's add urad dal and mustard seeds. Now here our mustard seeds, they have started to pop. Into this, let's add few curry leaves. Then into this, let's add our dry red chilies. That should be added by breaking it into 2. Then next we have to add asafoetida powder. So now into this, let's add a little bit of asafoetida powder and let's sort it well. That's it, our tempering is done. Now let's switch off the flame. Let's add the tempering into a chutney. So now here our yummy tasty railway chutney is ready. It goes well with idli and dosa. So now here our railway chutney is ready, which is tasty, yummy and watery. So whenever you travel on train, we will be woken up with the sound of vendors, and with their sounds we'll be waken up, and they'll be serving us all the tea and everything, and along with that, along with the tiffins, they'll be serving us this chutney, which is watery and as well as tasty. So to get that nostalgic feel and to remember all those memories, we have made that railway chutney. So this is it. So try making this railway chutney and replenish your memories in your travel in your trains. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with variety videos. Till then, stay tuned to my channel.